Alrighty guys, finally got a hallway fan. This fan actually fits the hallway quite well. This is I think you pronounce it as a Huixute ceiling fan. One may say this is a crappy fan, but this fan actually is quite fast and blows a lot of air. So 3 blades, and it almost looks like a freaking ceiling desk fan. Top shot of it up there, flush mounted. This is a pretty cool fan I have right here. Got the remote right here. Actually, I can control this thing from my phone actually as well, which is quite cool. Don't have too much to say about it. I picked it up at a local business, selling it, and I was thinking this fan wouldn't be the greatest in the world, but it's actually really good, despite what people might think. So, start demonstrating it. Here's the light. All around LED light. Let's see, we can make it much brighter. Or much dimmer. There are other different levels of light. So let's start on low speed. This fan already blows a crap ton of air even for the low speed. Immediately, of course, it gets up to speed. No air right there. That's only coming from right there. That's because it oscillates, which will blow air all throughout the room. It's one of my favorite features of this fan. Also, I bought a Hampton-made minuet. Want to put it right here. Dad doesn't like the minuet. He thinks it looks cheap. So, I might give that fan a paint job. Maybe I'll paint it. Perhaps, give it like a black with brown blades, or give it a patriotic style. American flag blades, 2 of the blade brackets, red, and 2 of them blue, 2 of them white. White canopy, red housing, and a blue switch housing and light. And we'll put it on medium. Gets faster, starts blowing even more air. Obviously, you can't really see a real difference. I think this was probably made this year. I think it was confusing to set up the remote. That's the one thing I have a problem with it. It was confusing to set up, because you have to download the app first, Bluetooth it, and then get the remote working. At least that's how it was for me on this. Sadly, this is not reversible. Now high. Was an absolute powerhouse of air. There it goes. Now we'll oscillate it. There's a fan of the light running. Like that. I like that one better. It'll blow air all throughout the little hallway. But yeah, I hope I can get that minuet painted and put it in this spot right here. Run some cord to that. But I won't make it look ghetto though. It'll look good. So yeah, guys, this fan is, like I said, this is non-reversible, so this is about it, guys. I thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.